Welcome back to Primetime News. Meanwhile, the police is refuting claims that there was no search and rescue efforts. Head of the St. Andrew South Police Superintendent Damon Manderson says investigations suggest that the 32-year-old man jumped into the gully.
This situation was brought to my attention sometime after 4 minutes to 5 yesterday afternoon by my ground commander that they got a report that a male was swept away in the Sandy Gully. Further investigation revealed that a man, what was said to be of unsound mind, that he was at the Red Bridge or somewhere in the Juzan area when he jumped off into the gully. We, along with the fire department, rendered, of course, aided by residents, rendered search of the Sandy Gully, which of course would have been overspaced in terms of the water flow. We did extensive search right into the night. He was not found, and we have continued the support in a bid to identify or to locate him. But we have been assiduously working at that.